Today we'll be learning how to create a construction line and mirror sketch. Let's get right to it. So we're going to create a sketch first. Create a sketch. Select our plane. Create a line. Line will be 60 millimeters. Vertically up 20 millimeters. Horizontally right 25 millimeters. And then here we're going to create an arc. So we're going to click and hold the line button and go sideways. 20 millimeter arc. And then we're going to go back down right here, 25 millimeters. Let's zoom out a little bit. And then we're going to go vertically up 80 millimeters. And then we're going to copy the previous image. So we're going to go up 25. Click and hold for the arc. So we'll do 20. Come back down. Go vertically up 20 millimeters. And then we're going to go 60 millimeters. Horizontally left will go 60 millimeters. Okay. And then we're done with that part. You're probably thinking to yourself, what's going on here? Supposed to connect the line, right? No, not yet. Okay. We're going to create a center diameter circle. We're going to put it right here. It's going to be 20. Another 20 millimeters here. All right. Now we're going to mirror this. So to mirror this, we're going to select the line type on our sketch palette over here. We're going to select construction, but first we'll select our line, and then we'll select construction, and then we're going to click right here. We're going to go all the way down. As you can tell, the line is black. It's a different, black and dashed. It's a different line. It's a construction line. Next thing we'll do, we'll go to create, and we're going to select mirror. Select mirror. And then we're going to click and hold, and we're going to select all of the objects. When it does the select and hold, it'll do it kind of in a clockwise rotation, so as you can see, or counterclockwise. You do it like this. Okay? And then we're going to deselect this one. We're not going to use this one because we're going to select this one for that. Boom. Now we mirrored it. There you go. You see? Then we click OK. Voila. Hiya. Bada bing, bada bang. You know how it's done. And of course, the next step, of course, is you have to save it, pretty much. So this was chapter 3, tutorial 2. We learned how to mirror an image and create a construction line. All right. So yeah, peace.